10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
India has embarked on its third lunar mission, Chandrayaan-3, which was launched on 14 July 2023 from Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, India. The mission aims to land near the south pole of Moon and study its geology and environment. Chandrayaan-3 is a follow-up mission to Chandrayaan-2, which attempted a soft landing in 2019 but failed due to technical glitch. The spacecraft consists of a propulsion module, a lander, and a rover, which will work together to collect scientific data and images from the lunar surface. Moon has always been of great interest to the scientists because it is believed to contain water ice and other resources that could be useful for future human exploration and colonization. The South Pole also has craters that are permanently shadowed from sunlight, which would preserve ancient clues about the origin and evolution of solar system. However, the South Pole region is always very challenging to explore, as it has extreme temperatures, rugged terrain, and low communication signals. Chandrayaan-3 will overcome these challenges and attempt to achieve a historic feat, to be the first country to perform a controlled soft landing near the South Pole of the Moon. So how will Chandrayaan-3 accomplish this remarkable mission? Well, let's find out. Chandrayaan-3 was launched on 14 July 2023 on board the LVM-3 rocket, which is India's most powerful launch vehicle up to date. After 15 days of maneuvers across the Earth, the spacecraft was slingshotted to our Moon orbit using a propulsion module. The spacecraft is currently undergoing a series of orbit maneuvers around the Moon, with the objective of performing a soft landing using Vikram lander. The orbiter from the Chandrayaan-2's venture will act as a communication relay satellite between ISRO and the lander rover module. The lander rover module will then perform a series of complex braking maneuvers to facilitate a soft landing in the South Pole region of the Moon on 23rd August 2023. The lander, named Vikram after the founder of ISRO, will carry the rover named Pragyan, which means wisdom in Sanskrit. In order to eliminate the problem of fine braking race during Chandrayaan-2's venture, Vikram lander on Chandrayaan-3 has 4 landing thrusters instead of 5, with thrust wall sleeve rate changing capabilities. This will ensure that Vikram lander can adjust the mass flow rate of the fuel and know its orientation in reference to the plane. Additionally, an laser Doppler velocimeter is mounted to allow measuring altitude in all 3 directions. Once the lander is precisely soft landed, the rover will deploy from the lander and explore the lunar terrain for about 14 Earth days, which is equivalent to 1 lunar day. The rover will use its 6-wheeled mobility system and its scientific instruments to conduct experiments and measurements on the soil, rocks, and atmosphere of the Moon. Chandrayaan-3 will build on the success of India's previous lunar missions, Chandrayaan-1 and Chandrayaan-2, which made significant discoveries such as the presence of water molecules on the lunar surface and the existence of an exosphere around the Moon. Chandrayaan-3 will also demonstrate India's technological capabilities and scientific aspiration in space exploration. Chandrayaan-3 is a historic mission for India and for the humanity, as it will explore one of the mysterious and intriguing regions of our nearest celestial neighbor.